Hi, all of us love to do eye makeup. Kajal, mascara, eyeshadow palette, eyeliner and whatnot. Are they healthy for the eyes? Are there any do's and don'ts? Do you want to know an eye doctor's perspective? If so, keep watching. Point number 1. As far as possible, apply the kajal or liner on the skin side, just below your eyelashes. Avoid tight lining or water lining. This to be done as we have oil secreting glands on the inner side of the eyelid, and if we apply kajal or liner on the inner side, the oil secreting glands get blocked and we can develop lumps and bumps which are called chalazion or style. We can also develop dryness of the eyes and redness and irritation of eyes. Make it a practice to remove your eye makeup every day before going to bed. How would you do that? Now, there are makeup wipe removers which are available for the face, and also there are solutions which are available for the face. Now, even if it is written can be used for the eyes, please do not use them for the eyes because they may contain preservatives which would cause irritation and burning sensation in the eyes. Nowadays, many companies have special eye wipes which are preservative free, and some of them contain sterile water, others contain tea tree oil, glycerine and such products which would remove your makeup fully and also prevent eye infections like blepharitis from happening. You could also use a baby shampoo and dip a ear cleaning bud in the shampoo. Stand in front of the mirror and remove every bit of the particle. After you have removed every bit of the particle, please take warm water and do compression over the lid margin. This would open up the oil glands and prevent formation of chalazion or style. When should you discard your eye makeup? Or how long can you use the same makeup? If it is a powder, for example your eyeshadow palette, you could use it for a maximum of a year. If it is a pencil, please sharpen it every time that you use so that you get a fresh tip every time. Any eyeshadow or a pencil or any other product harbors bacteria and infection, and you don't want them to infect your eye. If you are a contact lens wearer, what precautions should you take? First, wear your contact lens, preferably a daily disposable one, because that is the contact lens which is the safest for your eye. Next, start wearing your eye makeup one after the other. Refrain from using a glitter makeup because the glitter particles can fall on the eye and cause lot of irritation and discomfort in the eye. In the evening, discard your contact lens and then step by step remove the eye makeup as I have told you. Do remember to clean your eyeshadow brush or makeup brush with soap and water and dry them out in the sun or in wind. Clean the eyelashes and the eyelid margin with a baby shampoo every day before going to bed because you do not want bacteria sitting on the eyelashes when you go in for the procedure. You can resume your eye makeup 2 weeks after the surgery or as advised by your eye doctor. Use fresh makeup sets when you resume your eye makeup. And of course, use new or clean brushes to apply your eyeshadow and eye makeup. Keep looking bright and beautiful with your eye makeup. Remember to follow the tips that I have shared with you. If you want to know more, write your questions in comments below and I shall be happy to answer.